The arm series is done with your resistance bands on just above the last hinge on the door because we're going to be laying down flat. So I'm going to lay out my handles because my head's going to go right here. I'm going to lay down flat. I'm going to turn on an angle just so you can see me. I'm going to grab my handles. Now I may have to come out away from the door just to give myself some tension. Put your arms straight up in the air. Once they have tension, now your spine is into the mat, and it is okay to have a little bit of a curvature in your low back. Just as long as your hips aren't tipped forward. The hip bones are facing up to the ceiling. Pull your belly in first thing. Press down. Lift back up. Press down. Lift back up. Now precision points, again, your arms are straight, your belly's pulled in, and your feet are flat on the floor. Now you can hear my furnace running in the background. And we're going to do 5 of them. The next one, after 5, is triceps. Elbows on down, extend the arms, bring them back up. Same thing, your elbows are still down, your belly's pulling down. One more. Straight up to the sky. Combination, press down, touch the mat. Bend your elbows, straighten your arms, reach up. Now this is all about posture, folks. Your belly's pulling down as your arms are moving. I don't want you to let the belly go because then it's going to tip the pelvis forward. Last one, touch the mat and release. Abduction. Bring your arms out to a T. I may have to turn a little bit. Now they're as low as they possibly can go. Bring them to your hips. Hold, 2, 3, release. Belly in, hold, 2, 3, release. It's all about getting longer. Your knuckles are reaching toward your heels. So they're not just pulling in, they're reaching forward, depressing those shoulder blades. One more. And bring it all the way back up. Let's make circles. Out, around, and up. Same thing, that belly's pulling down. These are great posture exercises because it takes the pressure off. And you're lying down. Reverse, press down, around, and back up. Now you can have a little pillow under your head if you need it. And bring it back up. Go ahead and set those back down. The Pilates arm series using the door anchor.